to see me, yeah, in your time, but give me a call before you just drop by. 'Cause if my baby's coming over, I'm gonna be tied up. It's exactly what you're thinking. If that's not clear enough, let me say it again. Don't come knocking if the tiki hut's rocking. If the tiki hut's rocking, don't come knocking.